Hi everyone, I'm here with a layout. Home sunny days. Just on the left pan. Bear with me, work around them. Have a picture, sum plus fun equals Mateo and the sprinklers at the family splash day at our church. Because old who will sit on a gadget says, I'm going to read the Bible. And he goes and he started at the very first. So he's finishing up Genesis and then going on to Exodus. And so I get Bible study in the car on our drives, which is nice. He needs to work on comprehension anyway because he reads but doesn't really comprehend what he reads. So like I said, I'm a teacher. I'm a first grade teacher, and teaching never stops. Even when I get home, I have a now third grader to teach. So, my husband, his dad, Alex, will be like, "You guys talk way too much. Why do you talk so much?" But what he doesn't understand is Mateo is asking questions and I'm answering them. So it's not like typical annoying conversation. He just wants to know why the world is round and how the world revolves, how space works and just questions. And so his learning never stops. We might not be in school right now, but he's still learning. So, yeah. So I'm going to cut these circles out of this pattern paper that is making home sunny days. Oh, and here's Patton. He's gonna take hers. This floor pattern, I figured, hey, and these sprinklers were they were PVC pipe, and then they over the pipes they just put those pool rings to cover the pipe. So I thought, how cool is that? So there is Mateo, and then the other picture is Mateo, but so that way you can see the cool sprinkle system that they have there. It's really cool. And I apologize right in the midst of stuff. So I'm going to move him to my lap and try to get him to stay. And of course, it doesn't want to work. He's still, I want on there. Days. And use a chipboard butterfly, but I have some rub-ons, that's all butterflies, that, oh my gosh, there's Reese again, that I'm going to incorporate in the other area. And then all right, I apologize. Pen is persistent little bugger. So to attempt to move him out of my way again. So I'm also going to use a banner sticker, which is from American Craft Summertime Thickers. I'm just going to figure out how everything needs to go. should have brought my phone in here, but I haven't heard it ring. And I would hear it because nothing's on. It's quiet in here. Oh my gosh, it's been the best weekend ever. I'm all by myself. Sometimes you just need that little alone time. I haven't had it in I can't tell you how long, and oh, it's been nice. I watch movies, do some cross stitching, play some games on my phone, scrapbook. Yeah. Alright, so it's time to make everything stick. Go ahead and commit. And that card would have been cut from a pattern paper. Probably a Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. Oh my gosh, that car's flying. Good thing no Mateo's not here playing in the street. Or riding his scooter, I should say. Not playing in the street. He's usually either jumping on the trampoline or riding his scooter up and down the street in front of us. I don't know why. My feet, they hurt. They just start to hurt worse and worse and worse. I don't know why. Like just this ache. Especially if I sit for too long and then I get up. Oh my gosh, at night it's really bad. Oh my god. It's really bad at night. I'll go to get up to go to the restroom or to get up because Coco wants outside. And oh my word. They'll ache. I have to limp. Because it hurts to sit down. So I'm going to use my liquid glue, which is Elmer's Craft Bond Quick Dry Glue. I used to use the Scotch Quick Dry, and I don't have a craft store. I mean, Walmart's 6 miles from me, and the nearest craft store is 15. So I found this Quick Craft Bond, and it's just, I love it. It's just like your Scotch Quick Dry, and it's at Walmart for like $2.97 a bottle, maybe. It's not very expensive at all. So that is what I use, and I still remember I bought my tape from Tape Jungle, my rolls of tape from my Scotch tape runner. I still have tons of that. I haven't even used half of it. And I ordered that, what, two years ago? Yeah. I still have tons of it. I love it. It's lasting forever. So that is the banner that come from American Craft Summertime Thickers. They're under the swimming suit, I do believe. Here's where I'm going to get the oh my gosh, butterfly rub-ons. Sorry, I'm looking out my window. These squirrels are in my bird feeders. I'm telling you, I hung it on a pole and they latch onto the pole, and then I said, let me move it to the porch. And I'm telling you, I had it hung to the roof. I had it hung up to the roof of my porch because my porch is covered, and so it has a little roof over it. So I put it on one of my plant hooks. They climbed the pillar. There's a pillar on one side, and they climbed the pillar to get to it. I was like, are you kidding me? So I have on my grocery list to buy them a squirrel feeder so they'll leave my doggone bird feeder alone because they're chasing off my birds. I have a bird feeder in the back that the squirrels don't know about. The birds eat from that one, but still, my gosh, I will go through in a day. I will go through a ton. They don't stop eating. There's one there now, and he's been there forever. And he just keeps going and keeps going. Oh my word. Okay, anyway, back to this layout. So I'm just putting down the rub-ons and Sun Plus Fun, of course, is from the Maggie Holmes. I'm going to use some heart stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio and Hip Kit Club's This Beautiful Life. So it's a mixture between the two. I'm just doing my ribbons. All right. So now that I have those done, I'm trying to decide if I want any more. Then I decide, no, that's enough. Do not want to overdo it. I end up moving that one butterfly under the plus sign over there underneath the little girl sticker. Here's where I do my heart stickers. And then once I'm done with that, that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.